Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys, and it's a very classic Irene photo shoot during the most beautiful golden hour. I also have my friends Chris and Gio joining this photo shoot. They are both super talented photographers from LA. Check out their Instagrams and TikToks. I will leave their links in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video if you want to see what they shot. Today's location is White Point Beach in Long Beach, LA. One of my favorite spots. I've done quite a few photo shoots here before, and our gorgeous model today is Trinity. We waited till the sun got pretty low, probably about an hour before sunset, to get this beautiful and very golden hour. For the outfit, we went with a satin white night dress and a top with big flowy sleeves. It was quite windy, so I knew that the sleeves will look very cool, and since the material is see-through, the backlight will make it look very dreamy. This location is gorgeous, but it's very tricky. I have to balance on these rocks and try not to fall into the water, and it was also quite cold, so we had to move relatively fast. I got Trinity to sit on one of these big flat rocks, and once I was happy with the spot, we took off her coat and her shoes, and I tried my best to quickly get my shots. Wow, that's gorgeous. And I love the sleeves. That's beautiful, yes. Oh my god, beautiful. Wait, you're doing amazing. Just keep doing that with your arms. I really love the way it like gets picked up. Oh wow. Okay, stay there. I need to get back on that sketchy rock. Ugh. Yes, oh my god, beautiful. So the way I'm positioning here, I have the light hitting the water behind Trinity, and then it's giving me like that backlit, and it's also like the bokeh is really beautiful, and then we have all the rocks around her, so it looks really cool.
You kissed my face, smiled on my soul, told me a story too good to grow old. Wide open space, joy in my heart, in the gardens of Manitou Park. I'm homesick.
Yes, oh that's gorgeous. I love that. Wow. Yes. Amazing. You have to say it. Okay. Yes. I always do like the weirdest poses when I shoot. Okay, stay like that. I'm gonna get just a little bit closer.
Oh shit! That smells like sea doo-doo. That smells like sea doo-doo.
Yes. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, stay like. Do you see there's a little hair on your? Yeah. And just keep doing that. Yes. Amazing, Trinity. Yes. Wow.
I don't know, but I knew before. I knew before. Homesick most for a place I don't know, but I knew before.
Beautiful. Amazing. Yes. Okay, just a few more like this.
I got sea doo-doo.
Wow. So here in this shot, I'm like letting in some of the light come through and into the lens to create some really cool like lens flares and make it look very like romantic. Yes.
Cause even when we say goodnight, I'm awake with questions I wanna ask to make your mystery clear. Oh, my heart is aching, but I finally found a cure.
Can we try maybe you standing here? Do you think you can stand on top of this rock? Ooh, okay, that looks gorgeous. I just need to be further back on this rock. Amazing. Yeah, ooh, I love, okay, stay like that, do not move. What? I still didn't get in the water, haha. Sorry guys, but
Quick as I can make my vow, taking you for granted now. Treat you like I know just what you'll say. But even after all this time, there's a whole world left to find.
and can you maybe do again here like yes, something like that so I can see the sleeves. Yes. Amazing, amazing. And maybe give me your portrait this way. So yeah. Yes, exactly. Wow.
Give up all my dreams if you would tell me yours. Oh, it hurts me. It hurts me not to know you more. It hurts me not to know you more.
Wow, that's so pretty. And look more to the side, so I want to see your like yes, exactly. Like your profile, yes.
Breaking through the darkness, shining brighter than before. You're the northern lights I keep on chasing. You're a never-changing wonder to explore. Oh, my heart is aching, but I finally found a cure. If you're a breaking wave, maybe I could be the shore. I'd give up all my dreams if you
Really like that. Yes. Yes, exactly. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
It hurts me not to know you.
So these are close-ups.
No?
Yeah, that's really beautiful. Yes. Yes, I love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. And just eyes at me. Do even more like tilted. And eyes at me, yes. Put the other hand somewhere close. Yeah. And eyes at me again. I like a lot of eye contact for like close-ups. Turn your face towards me a little bit more like your whole, yes, exactly. That's gorgeous right there.
And what to fear, you make it easy to be free. I see you lying next to me, and I'm collecting memories so good they'll never leave my brain. This could be better than I ever dreamed. Don't wanna understand the purpose or the circumstance. I'm lucky just
Okay,
When you're ready, I'll grab the... Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so just kind of like free, so think like very soft, free posing. Yeah, there we go. Super dope. Awesome. Can you turn your body a little bit more to the side? Yeah, there we go. And then kind of like look off to the sky, like past me. Okay, so let's do something with your feet because they're kind of like this. So I'm thinking, so I'm thinking just like very pointed, you know, think back ballerina feet.
Well, this rock isn't that big.
Well, then you know what, move up to the other one that's bigger. Right there, perfect. Yeah. Nice.
Ooh, Lord.
Can you turn the seashell a little bit so I can see the inside of it? There we go. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So sorry guys,
They're
I
good.
took maybe too long.
After you're done.
All right, super sick.
This could be better than I ever dreamed. I don't wanna understand the purpose or the circumstance. I'm lucky just to know your name. This could be.
Can I have you sitting down on one of them? Actually, if you want, sit on that rock right there.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Oh my.
Why did Irene bring us here?
No, I like the challenge. Thank you. All right. Did you get that on video?
Oh yeah.
All right. Can you show your legs more and kind of like point them? Your point your yeah.
It's still really pretty right now.
Yeah,
Like, it's
yeah.
soft.
Don't wanna understand the purpose or the circumstance. I'm lucky just to know your name. This could be better than I ever dreamed.
Let me see this. I'm kind of like
Wait, how did you think?
tilt your head to the side. Yeah. Move some of the air out of your face. All right, tilt your head to the side a little bit.
I might have the skill shot.
Oh my god. This shit is not cooperating.
It's got a lot of hair.
Oh my god.
You got 2 minutes.
It's on my stance. Hold on. All right, ready? Oh my god, the Doc Martens are in the shot. Sorry. Sorry. Can you lift up the dress a little bit or maybe elongate your legs more? Point your toes. Yeah, like that. Sick.
And then I heard you calling out my name, singing, do not be afraid. I will be your dwelling place.
Oh, I'm shivering in my boots. Okay.
But listen, now you can just walk really anywhere.
I know, right?
Instead of jumping on the rock. Okay, where do you want her?
Probably, would you mind sitting on that rock right there? On the other, like that big ass rock right there?
This one or that one?
That one, the one you're standing on. Yeah, that one right there.
Why do you guys give me the rockiest, most bumpy rocks?
I'm so sorry. Oh no, kind of like sit on it. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to go in the water, cause I kind of want you like.
You're wanting you to put your feet in the water.
Yeah, so you're gonna like have to like kind of crouch.
Ow.
Sorry, and side profile it. Like turn your body.
This way?
Yeah, that way. That's pretty. Turn your body slightly towards me. The other way, yeah. Actually, no, side profile is better. Do one hair to one side so it kind of flips. Yeah. Make sure to relax your shoulder, like that, yeah.
Running through the gardens to the east of Cheeseman Park.
So we just finished our photo shoot. We just decided to do the outro here in the car because we were literally cold and
Struggling.
all of us
freezing.
like dunked in the water. So like our shoes are wet, our socks are wet.
Barefoot. I have my pants on the ground.
Guys, is it worth it? Was it worth
It
it?
was great. It was great.
They're like, why, Irene? Why did you bring us here?
No, I think overall it was a great experience, and yeah, I think we all had a pretty good time. We got some amazing shots. At least I know I did. I don't know about these two, but
No, watch,
I got some amazing shots.
Yeah, I think I got the most time. I took the most time out of all
Irene's,
three of us.
A time hogger.
I am. So I definitely got some really nice shots. I think you guys got some cool shots
Yeah,
as well.
I love the shots I got.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to check out Gio and Chris. I will leave their Instagrams and TikToks in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Body more like this. Yes. Yes. And look at me here. Yes. Yes.